I've always been intrigued with 3D designs, as many quilters are. I'm Marci Baker, and Sara Nephew and I have written this book, 3D Magic, Simple Blocks, Striking Quilts. And we've included a lot of information. Sara and I have almost 80 years combined of experience with 3D design and quilting and teaching, and we've packed it all into this one book. Here are the blocks, and they are simple in that we're going to strip piece or cut individual shapes, but they are sewn together without any Y seams or set-in seams. These are the 4 shapes that are used throughout the book. So just these 4 shapes, and we have step-by-step instructions in the book. Let me show you a few things here in the book. We have several pages that are on value, because value makes this look like 3D designs. Lights and darks as far apart as possible, and then mediums. And then we have tips and tricks, and one of them is using a grayscale that's included in the book, so you use that right there as you're working on your project. We have 3 different sizes of blocks because some people want to make a quick quilt fast and easy, or you may want to get some detail going on in a wall hanging, and this is showing that comparison. And then we have 13 different blocks, and each block has a page, but we also have strip piecing techniques. So whichever way you like to work a project, we have both. Sara is an artist, and I'm an engineer. She likes to, as she says, in a painterly fashion, she picks and chooses, and I am, let's get it done, so I strip piece. So we've included both of those. And then we have 7 different designs that are spelled out as far as they each have their own 2 pages with an illustration and then diagrams that says which blocks to make. And then we have a gallery. There's 24 different inspirational designs and cutting instructions for those 4 different shapes. We have also templates or actual sizes. So if you're using a different ruler than the Clearview triangle ruler, which I show over here, then you can check and make sure you're getting the right shape. All of the measurements fit with the Clearview triangle ruler, so that's what we recommend. And the last thing that I really like is that we've added a kind of a bonus section of design, this grid that you can take and cut up these blocks and place them, actually make copies first, and make your own design, your own pattern. So we've included a lot. The tools that we recommend using are the Clearview triangle ruler. It can be our 8, 10, 12, or our Super 60. Any one of those will work in this project. And then the corner cut 60 allows us to trim ears off so it's faster at the sewing machine. And then we also have sewing edge. It's something that I recommend. These 2 tools I use for all of my sewing, and you can watch videos on our website about that. So I'm Marci Baker, and Sara Nephew and I are proud to present to you 3D Magic, Simple Blocks, Striking Quilts.